Happy Tuesday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm meteorologist Denise Isaac. We continue to track spotty showers this afternoon as a cold front will move across the state. We're expecting spotty showers until about 3 p.m. After that, skies will begin to clear once the cold front moves through, and cooler temperatures will settle in right behind that front. By 8 p.m. we're looking at mostly clear skies and the night stays pretty clear, but with breezy conditions. And tomorrow we're looking at winds gusting close to 60 miles per hour at times. There is a slight chance for some snow showers, mostly north of I-69, but Metro Detroit is looking to stay clear and without that action. Today, 61. That will happen early after the cold front moves through. Temperatures will drop and showers also taper off. Tonight, 35, clear and a lot colder compared to this morning when we started out in the 50s. Look at the future wind gusts. This afternoon, gusting to 30 miles per hour, then they drop, but by tomorrow, they will be close to 40, 50 miles per hour wind gusts with the breeze sustained anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour, so a really windy day. There's a high wind watch from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Wednesday. Not a good idea to actually wear skirts tomorrow, ladies. On Wednesday, we're expecting a high at 47, so not as warm as today. By Thursday, 42, a 20% chance for rain-snow mix. Friday, colder air settles in, 33, and by Saturday morning, we're waking up to temperatures in the low 20s and only warming up to 31. Have a great day.